Hey everyone, if your Chromebook won't turn on, I have a quick tip for you to try. First of all, always plug it into power. Maybe it's just dead. If it starts blinking orange, it could be that it was just dead and it needs a minute. If it still won't start up, you need to press and hold this restart button here. Press and release power, let go of refresh, and then give it a second. A lot of times people panic because it doesn't instantly turn on. It's thinking, it's working, you just can't tell. See, there it goes. It turned on. But when in doubt, with other problems, restart. Restart your Chromebook if you have mouse issues, if you have Wi-Fi issues, if it is freezing on you, all of that stuff. Restart if needed, and hopefully it will help you out. Good luck, guys.